Okay, in front of us could be potentially a really cool item. So this is the Road Warrior Liquid Paint Protection Plus. And how I came about this, I was on Amazon looking for a clear bra, going through 3M products and such, and I ran into this. And I clicked on it and I was like, liquid paint protection. And then I was like, you wash it off. I was like, I don't know about this. But then I read the reviews and they're actually pretty cool. So I was like, all right, this could potentially be really, really cool. So I purchased it, the box came in, and this is what's inside it. We have an 8 ounce of magic sauce. We have a roller tray with an applicator, which is pretty cool. Woo. And we have a sticker, 5 horsepower. All right, and I was like, okay, so might have to go online and look for instructions. But then I went back into the box and I decided to look again. And inside the box are the instructions, which is pretty neat. So we're gonna use those and go give this a shot. Okay, this is gonna be our test spot. And the reason why is because, this product was, pricing, we wanted to use it for what it's intended for. So we're gonna put this on, let it cure, and then we're gonna try to take it off with some water and see how easy it takes to take off once we finish 2 coats. So this is coat 1 and we'll do coat 2, and then later on we'll take it off with water. All right, as you can tell, we're starting to paint. Now I remember that I was not an A student in art class. Oh man, I need to go get some more. All I could say is I'm nervous, but I saw some reputable YouTubers and reputable people doing it to their cars, and I was just like, you know what, YOLO. And it's starting to clear and it's starting to dry. Alright, YouTube fan, I'm bringing you some exclusive content here. So, as I said earlier, we applied some of the Road Warrior on this side mirror. We put in 2 coats and we let it dry, heal, cure. And now we're gonna see how easy it is to take it off. Now, I saw some other videos on YouTube where they applied a Road Warrior on their car on the front end and they took it off, but I plan to have it on the car for a while, do some road trips, so I'm not going to take it off right away. So I thought I'd end the video where I've seen if it comes off quite easy. All right, let's jump into it. Just want to state that all the men out there, this is the most premium water bottle you could buy. It's very manly. All right. Hold up, I'm seeing an edge over here. That might be a good thing. Oh, look at that. Oh, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's like aliens or a snake, whatever you want to call it. That, I don't think you want your wife to catch you like this, hiding that. Alright. Look at that, guys. There it is. Took it right off. And I mean, there's a few pieces here, but as I rub it with my glove, I'm sure with my finger, they come right off. So give me a second. I'm going to be the proper person here. I'm going to go get my rag. Yeah, it came off. That is a little chip that's been there in the car. And then you know what? There's just a little bit there. I probably didn't. I'm gonna wet this. Look at that. I just wet it a little bit. It comes right off. Stuff is like, there it is. Okay, it's dry. My impression is that while we applied it, it was fun. It isn't the prettiest option, but I think for what it is, I think it's great. You know, if you're going on a long road trip or if you're doing an HPDE, it's gonna protect your car. And as we showed you earlier, it comes off with water, so I can't complain about that. So at the end of the day, I think it's a great alternative to the expense of a full clear bra or maybe masking your car with blue tape. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support, guys. And have a great day and happy holidays.